Before you plant anything in your garden, there are a few things you need to check first. Skipping these steps is why most beginner gardens struggle before plants even get a chance to grow. One of the biggest beginner mistakes is planting too early. Even if days feel warm, frost can still damage or kill young plants overnight. Always check your local last frost date before putting anything in the ground. This one step alone saves beginners a lot of frustration. Before choosing plants, you need to know where you're growing. That could be an outdoor garden, containers or pots, raised beds, or even a balcony or indoors. Your growing space determines what plants will actually succeed. Planting without knowing this is another reason gardens fail early. Many beginners make things harder than they need to. They start with difficult crops instead of beginner-friendly plants. Herbs, leafy greens, and easy vegetables are far more forgiving and build confidence fast. Starting simple leads to better results. Gardening isn't hard, but skipping the basics makes it feel that way. When planting timing, space, and plant choice line up, everything gets easier. Most beginner problems are avoidable with a little preparation. I put together a simple beginner gardening checklist that covers everything to do before you plant anything. It helps you avoid the most common beginner mistakes and start the right way. You can find a free checklist linked in the description.